Hey guys, what's up? Alex here with BNB Locksmith. I got a few tips for you regarding how to open a bedroom lock when you get locked out in your house. Specifically, I'm targeting privacy function locks that you can find in your bedroom, bathroom, or maybe some people have closet. This issue, I mean, it's happened all the time. It happens all the time, but specifically on those locks that are privacy functions, they are easy to open and you don't really need a locksmith for that. And in many cases, we go to customer house, especially when kids getting locked themselves inside and parents are freaking out, and I understand. I also have two little girls. Right now I just want to make a short video and show you guys that most of the locks you can open by yourself and don't really need a locksmith and don't need to freak out. First of all, do not freak out, nothing, just think, look at the lock and see what you can do. So privacy function. I got one extra one from Home Depot, which is a little different from what I have in my house, but what I have, it's the simplest privacy lock that you have. So one side, as you see, it's flush with a little notch, let's say for a flat screwdriver, and the other side, it has a turn, a little turn right here. Let me see if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can. A little turn, and when you turn it, it's locked, so you can't open it from outside, right? Here's how you open it. So if you don't have a screwdriver, use a knife. It might be even your finger, but let me see, let me just here. Scissors. Use the scissors. What is this? Nail polisher. You can use whatever you want pretty much, and just stick it here and turn it. And by turning it, you will unlock the lock. Here you go. Now it's locked, now it's unlocked. I can lock it or unlock it with this thing. So if somebody locked this lock by sticking something into this here, into this notch, you can unlock it. Either scissors, either knife, or whatever flat you have, just use it. Let's look at this guy right here. So this is a doorknob with a hole. This is also very common doorknob. So see a little closer. If we putting this together, it looks like that. One side it has a thumb turn. Like a turn to lock it and unlock it. The other side has a little hole, as you see. So if I lock this thing, the doorknob doesn't move, which is locked. When I'm unlocking this thing, you can't really see because it's same color, but it's moving right now. So inside, let me show you what's going on inside. Inside of this thing, let's see if I can zoom in right here. Let's see if you can see this thing. Inside you got a little flat groove for a flat screwdriver. So what you need to do is it's the same thing pretty much, but you will need something thinner than the knife. You will need a small screwdriver, like one of those iPhone screwdrivers, and it has to be flash. So some of those doorknobs will have a push button inside. So if you stick something, let's say, so you can take one of those like ear cleaners, just remove the top part like that. If you don't have anything like tiny that can go inside, just removing the top part. Here you go, and stick it inside this little hole and try to push something. So most of the time by pushing it, like especially old locks, it will release. this button and you'll be able to access the lock. However, some of them has no button inside that you can push, but it has a little groove for a flush screwdriver, for a flat screwdriver. So you'll have to take a small tiny screwdriver that fits in this hole and try to find this little notch. So as soon as you turn this, it will release the lock. So as soon as this thing can be turned, here you go. So I don't know if you can zoom this thing, but let me see here. So as you see, it's also turning this piece. See that? So small flat screwdriver for doorknobs. Also, if you have a small flat screwdriver, so you either will be able to press a button inside this little hole, or you'll be able to turn. If this is not a button, an actual turn thing, you'll be able to turn it and it will release the lock. So this is the most common ones. This is like the more technical, but you still can open it. You just need to have a flat screwdriver and very small, so it will be able to get into this little hole. If you don't have a screwdriver, you might want to come up with some, I don't know, maybe chopsticks that you can cut it in half and make it like tiny so you can stick inside and turn it. It might work. Maybe it will work. Thanks for watching, and don't get yourself locked out. And if you do, you know who to call. Stay safe, stay healthy, and practice good hygiene. Mask, gloves, hand sanitizer. I guess. See you later.